Okay, welcome. We are going to cover building out search strings within LinkedIn. You'll just use this search box up here, and we're going to be utilizing boolean logic to cover this. This is going to follow a series of and or statements in order to find the search string that works best for us. So let's get started. Let's say we're looking for people that are or were EOD, like myself. So let's go ahead and start. Just type in EOD and see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna get 46,000 results of people that have EOD in their name. As an EOD tech, I might know a little bit more information about this. So I know that EOD stands for explosive ordnance disposal. Otherwise, I can go in here into one of the profiles if I'm not sure, and I can see what type of information they put in here and if there's anything that can help me. So this is pretty bleak, not a whole lot here. So let's see if we can find somebody else. Go to a new profile. Now we'll search, we'll go in here and see EOD, see if this person has more information. Okay, so EOD right here. Oh, explosive ordnance disposal. That's a good term I want to use. So maybe I want to write down my term here. I have EOD, but I want to include also the people that don't specifically have EOD, but they do have explosive ordnance disposal. So when we're searching for multiple words, we want to use quotes. Explosive ordnance disposal. Search. That's going to give us 13,000 results. So we know that there are 46,000 with EOD and only 13,000 that have explosive ordnance disposal. But what if we search for both? So now we can start to build out our string, say EOD. We want to say or will always broaden the search and allow us to see more people. So EOD or explosive ordnance disposal. Let's see what that gets us. So we had 13,000 for one, and we had 46,000 on the other. Hey, there we go. We've got 53,000 results. So now we're finding both of those groups of people, and through that broadening, utilizing that or category. Now, if we want to find something more specifically, and within this group, we now want to search for instructors or project managers, we can do that. So we can say, come to the end of this, and we can say, and instructor. There we go. So we've got 7,000 results of EOD personnel that are also instructors. Okay, what if we want to see program managers? Let's see what that does for us. So all this is doing is searching through the first list that we created and then finding the people that we're looking for after this. So do project manager, close the parentheses and quotes. And we get 5,000 people that are project managers and EOD. So this is a handy tool to be able to find different groups of people and subsets, and then you can search from within that group and then find other groups of people within that. If we do something that doesn't make sense, maybe we throw a random letter in here. Because we got an or there, that's still going to work, but let's do this here in project manager. See, now we get 0 results. So this is a good thing. This means our search is working. This means that everything's going fine. Just know that if you get 0 results, your error might be somewhere in what you're writing, or you may have an open quote or open parentheses. So let's fix that again. So we've gone through the series of and or statements making it broader, searching for EOD, and then and statements to narrow down within that group. Now, one thing I want to do also, I know that EOD also stands for end of day. And I don't necessarily want to find people that have end of day in their profile. So Let's search for end of day. Search string again. Say and end of day. The search string maybe is too long. We only get 65 characters here. Oh, still good. Okay. So we get 324 results that are potentially not people we're looking for, right? They're not necessarily EOD. This guy might not be EOD. Maybe he just has end of day somewhere in his profile. But we want to try to get rid of some of those people that we know are not part of the group. So what we can do here is when we do our search, we can use a minus sign. Put end of day. Hopefully we're still within our character limits here. And there we go. So now we're finding the EOD techs that are also project managers that don't have end of day within their category. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for listening.